welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today we're headed into Target with up to 90% off scores you don't want to miss. And today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. I've got so many tips for you. Let's jump into it.
There are so many things I want to share with you, from organizing to crazy clearance. You stay tuned.
Beanie, are you ready to show them the kitchen? This is coming home with us. You guys know how much of a fan I am of the organizing products in the dollar spot section. Everything is $5 and under. I'm going to show you the best finds and exactly how to use them. I love the classic look of all these containers this year. These are some of my favorites. This is really great for underneath of your sink. Super easy to label too, especially if you're working with a small space. I really like these storage baskets, and what sets them apart this year is they have a lining that's easy to wipe down on the inside. So this is a great find.
And today we're going to organize my mom's kitchen. I'm so excited to tackle this small space, and her dog Vinny too definitely wanted to be a part of the process. Under her sink was driving her crazy. If you feel the same way, give yourself a break. Let's tackle this together.
So the first space I want to tackle is underneath of her kitchen sink. Lots of this is overflow. She likes shopping at Costco, so we've got to find a spot for all of these things. I'm really excited. I did everything with my Cricut machine, and you can buy labels on Etsy if you don't have a Cricut. I really like the ones that aren't words, that are pictures instead, and you guys seem to have been liking them too. It is so clean and easy to see. And here is a quick trick. If you have bottles that are falling through a wire bin, get 2 chopping mats from the Dollar Tree. It's 2 for $1. Stick it on the bottom. It looks really elegant and nothing is gonna fall through. Super easy to get to.
And if you've ever wondered where I get my enthusiasm from, it's definitely from my mom. Be sure to give her a big hello in the comments down below. She was really excited about this space.
Wow, so organized. Time to do the dishwasher. Open it up, grab a pod, and tidy as can be. No bags to rattle and return.
They actually have a whole line of coffee products, which I really like. They have these really cute organizing tins, and they also have these fun labels, which would be really cool near a coffee bar. You could do this all season long. These are great for mugs, and they're only $3. I really like it. You can go to the Dollar Tree and get the suction cup hooks to hang this up. It sticks really well to tile. I've been testing it for a while.
One little addition. Baby Carson. I love my new coffee station. Thank you, Kathryn.
These are just $5 for this glass jar, which is a great deal. These look beautiful on countertops. I love this station over here. This bread container from Target is so cute for just a couple of dollars. And I love how the treat and the food jars turned out. And what's even better, it's right by where Vinny eats, so it's super easy to access. Plus, when his friends come over, they can give him treats. He's basically friends with every single person in the neighborhood, so he's a very loved dog. Say hi to me. Hi to you. I also really like these. So pretty in the kitchen. Oh, they have very pretty woven throw blankets. These are nice. These are $5. Good gift idea. They have these acrylic trays, which are so beautiful for just $5. They also have mini calendars. This is such a great spot to come if you need your yearly calendar. These trays are great. They're only $5. I can't wait to work with them. If you can't afford to tile a bathroom, they have these tiles. You get 10 sheets for just $5, so 60 tiles. This would look really beautiful.
So let's talk real deal. Do these peel and stick tiles really work? I thought they were great, a great bang for your buck, and you can use an X-Acto knife on the corners to help trim them down. This would be an amazing option for renters. I also had to try the TikTok hack of putting your toilet paper right on your faucet so you can create a little mini wax seal, and then I added some dollar spot from Target finds right to the bathroom. This was so great and done on a budget.
This is the super score this year. These giant containers that stack up for just $5. I get asked all the time where to get these on a budget. Now is when you want to come. They also have these really, really pretty woven baskets, which are great. They're more expensive in the back of the store, so come up here first.
We had to use these for the boys' Hot Wheel cars in the bonus room. It worked out great. How would you use these around your house? Be sure to leave a comment down below.
After Christmas sales at Target are some of my favorite. You can get up to 90% off, and here's the trick. Not everything is priced as marked, so you always have to go to the scanners and double check. The first wave of clearance is 30%, and then it goes 30 to 50%, then 50 to 70%, and then up to 90% off. And it completely depends on your store and luck of the draw. All of these items right now are 30% off, but when they stay, they're gonna be marked down again. So keep checking back and coming to the end caps. Some of my favorite finds this year are these really pretty wreaths. You can get these for just a couple of dollars. January is your moment to get candles in Target. Now these do go pretty fast, but you can get 70 to 90% off candles. I really like the big ones that have universal scents, so I can save these for gift ideas, and I've got them for under $5. Also consider checking for holiday Ziploc bags, holiday paper plates, maybe even cutlery. This knife is just $2.49 and you can use it all year long. It's not just for the holiday time. I also love in January coming to the toy section, you can get 70 to 90% off. And you've got to go to different stores to find different prices and markdowns, but here these water balloons are 70% off. My kids love these. Great ideas for your gift closet. January is my favorite time of year for beauty products in Target. You can get up to 70% off. A lot of these were holiday items, or they're bringing in new items for the spring. I've been using a lot of serums on my face, vitamin C. I'll be sure to link them all in the description down below. But these here are all up to 70% off. I'm really excited. I love the Target dollar spot for all of the workout gear. It's some of the best prices I found and the quality's awesome. I have this 5-pound workout weight at home. They have yoga blocks and they have a ton of weights. They have yoga mats and they even have resistance bands. These are half the price you're gonna find even compared to Amazon. This is so nice for a kitchen. Great gift idea too, especially because it has a spout in it. This is awesome. Actually, I'm gonna get this for us. If you're looking to get organized this year, be sure to check out Skillshare, who is today's sponsor.
Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes, all taught by experts, so you can learn and work at your own pace. You can discover new skills like photography or crafting. Maybe you're in the middle of a job transition and you want to learn something new. I also love looking at Skillshare for the home classes, so I can get simple tips that I can use and apply when I'm styling and organizing things in my videos. I love Style Your Space with Emily Henderson. She's got a quiz so you can define your design style and help to refine the look you want in your home. I love how affordable it is too, a great way to start off the new year. If you're one of the first 1,000 people to click the link in my description box down below, you get to try Skillshare Premium absolutely free for 30 days.
My friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. I cannot wait to catch you in the next video. Subscribe. We'll see where I go next. I'll see you guys soon. I get asked all the time, after I organize a space, does it stay organized? I organized my mom's laundry room closet several years ago, and ta-da! I still think this looks really good. It's still working for her. All the labels are still in. If you have been here long enough that you remember this makeover, leave me a comment down below. And her pantry, ta-da! This looks so great. This has stayed in place for years. If you have a really deep pantry like this one, we've just got dish bins in here, so you can easily access all the way to the back. Highly, highly recommend. Love them, and they're only $5. They've got really restocking everything. 5-pound weight, it's got all the extra. This is so crazy. Okay.